Hi, what's poppin'? Simon in the building, and today we're gonna get started into another Get Ready With Me. Before we do though, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. So in this video, I'm gonna be doing my makeup and my hair, so if you wanna see how I get ready, keep watching. So I start by tying up my hair. It's always in the way when I do my makeup, so when I do my brows, I gotta make sure I have like no distractions or 100% concentration to get them perfect. So now let's get started. So I'm just filling them in right now, creating the perfect brow for myself. I mean, I don't really got much eyebrows, so I be giving myself arches and everything, girl. So, filling your brows a little bit and then clean them up with just a little bit of a concealer. Every time I do my eyebrows, I be feeling myself. It's like, damn, it's a whole new person now. Like, who's that? That's me? Okay, yes, sis. Now that your eyebrows are all popping, looking good, on fleek. Do people even say that anymore, on fleek? But I don't know. Now that your eyebrows are popping, you can move on to the rest of your face. And for me, that's my foundation. Favorite foundation right now is the Fenty Beauty one. I don't know, it just works real good on my skin. It keeps me matte. I don't get oily, I don't get creasing. I don't know, it just works real good for my skin and I love it.
Perfect.
Now we just conceal it under our eyes, brighten it up to make sure we have a little bit more highlight to our face and don't look so flat. Now that you have everything blended nice and smoothly on your face, you can set your face. And I like to use a translucent powder just so everything stays in place all day. I'm not oily and I'm set. I start by setting under my eyes so the concealer doesn't crease automatically, and then the rest of my face. Where I get really oily, I don't know if it's the wig or what, but I get mad oily on my forehead, so I always kind of put a little bit more on my forehead and then dust it off with a bigger brush. Now moving on to contour, you know we gotta sculpt the face, make sure everything looks sharp. I mean, we don't look too sharp. We don't want chisel, but you know, just a little bit. So yeah. So yeah, I contour my cheeks and then my jawline, and then I blend it in seamlessly. Now, something that I like to do to make sure that my contour is a little bit more defined, I like to use my setting powder just underneath, you know, to keep it a little bit sharp. But I don't let it bake. I just let it sit for like 2 seconds and then I blend it right away. You want your makeup to look seamless. You don't want to be able to see like each line in your face where you put it. So make sure that if you're going to do this step, make sure you blend it OD well. Now for some blush, you know, to look real cute and baby dollish, I put a little bit of blush on my cheeks and keep it moving. Now for this look today, I'm going to be doing something real easy. If you're not a pro with eyeshadow, this easy, bomb, cute. So I start by setting my eyelids just to make sure the shadow stays on all day. And again, I use my regular translucent powder. Now I'm going to be putting some black eyeshadow on my lids, and I'm literally just putting it on my lid because in the crease I'm just going to be putting an orange shade and then blend them. Now the black eyeshadow did come out looking a little bit blue, so I was kind of happy about that because it matched my hair. I thought it was going to be black, but it's kind of like blue black, so you know, you work with what you got. It came out real cute, so I like it. To me, this is like the easiest way to do a smoky eye. So whenever I want a little bit of drama, I just do like a smoky eye with some big lashes. And I feel like this hair, this makeup, it just was like, it just went together. So, you know. I do a small wing eyeliner just so that when I put on eyelashes, the band doesn't show. On, and we looking like a bad it. Like we looking real good. From a 10 to a 10. Like, do y'all see? Oh, okay. Again, staying in the same family. For my highlighter, I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty. This is my favorite highlighter. Trophy wife, favorite. Can never go wrong. For the lips, I'm going to be using a brown lip liner. But you want to know something? Your girl got her own lip gloss line. Yes, it's Diamond Lip Dazzle. Get your own at ITSDIAMONDLLC on Instagram. But look, y'all about to see this color right now that I'm using is in the shade Diamond. And it's like, it's me. Like, that's why I named it after myself. Like, that's my color. I don't know if y'all can see. The packaging is real cute, but it's me. Like, I love this color for my lips. It's like my everyday color. I literally use it every day. If you want to get this lip gloss or see any of the other shades that I have, go to ITSDIAMONDLLC on Instagram. Now moving forward with the hair, I'm just going to be curling. This hair that I'm using, like I said before, is from the Beaute company. You can use my code Diamond Beauty for money off your purchase when you go shop. So I sped up this part just because, you know, it's a little bit just repetitive of me curling my hair. But, you know, you take a small section, you comb it through, and then you curl it. I mean, you can curl towards your face, away from your face. Me, I like to curl away from my face. Just, it gives me like that flip back, like I said, blowing in the wind look. But, you know, do it how you like. this hair, I didn't have to use any product. I just like to use hairspray in the front because it gets rid of the flyaways, and just by my face I kind of like to make sure I don't have any flyaways. I'm not that picky with my hair, but you know, just in the front. Once they're all brushed out and blended together, they look so pretty. The hair takes the heat so well, so you don't really have to leave it on the iron for very long. Curling this hair was so easy. It was like probably 7 minutes. We're all done with this hair and makeup look. I hope you guys can see how the look came together. Y'all like it, y'all mess with it, y'all think it's real cute. See me feeling myself. I think it's real cute. I love this hair. The details and information about this hair will be down below. Go shop ITSDIAMONDLLC if you want to get some of this poppin' lip gloss, you know what I'm saying. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.